And this is really ABS light. It is warning light, and in my case this light is now all time on, and especially also when I start my engine in idle speed and all rotation, this light is on. And next I will show you, and I will fix that defect, because now this light is on, and also this VSC vehicle stability control light is on, and then this track control is also these yellow warning lights, they are on. And let's go to look that why I have these lights on. And now there is a situation that in winter time these my brakes, they are stuck, and that's when we look in there, it is really dusty, and they are like in bad condition, like also my wheels. But now there is a situation that this my brake system is stuck, and that's this my ABS warning light, and also this vehicle stability control warning light, they are on. And next I have to make this rear wheel immovable, and also reset this my ABS system, anti-brake systems, this computer. And let's go to look at how I reset this my computer. Okay, and now I am removing these wheel bolts, and soon we can check that what is this brake disc, what looks like brake disc. Okay, now all bolts are free, excellent, and then I can lift that away. Okay, and then when I look this my brake disc, I can see that there is now some parts missing in here, in these areas. And I have in here flathead screwdriver, and when I little bit move that, I can see that there's big parts away in here, and even hole in here. Let's go to look closer. Okay, and now I understand that why this my wheel vibrates, because there is big part of this brake disc material away, and there is even hole in here, because normally that area must be in solid, like in here. This is only okay area, but now it is really bad, and this has been maybe stuck, and some parts are broken. Okay, and what to do if I have situation that I notice that my brake disc is damaged, and or it is stuck and very rusty. In that kind of situation, I need to replace that. And now I have purchased spare parts, and in this new and okay brake disc, this all material are solid. They are not like in that one, they should look like in that. And also this inner area in here, it must look like that, because in that area we have those braking handbrake, those brakes in this inner area, and this outer area we have those normal brake pads in here. Okay, and that kind of information that why this my brake disc rotates, there is situation that this brake disc is damaged. Okay, that kind of information, my friend, and let's continue.